I was fortunate enough to work with a lot of Bollywood stars. So Vivian Richard was my first celebrity who I worked with. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mamoon. I am based in Dubai and I'm a makeup artist and makeup educator. I work with a lot of celebrities here and I train a lot of students. As a profession, I started my certification in 2016 and I've been doing makeup from 2017. I became the UAE Bridal Makeup Champion in 2017 and then there was no turning back. I started blogging in COVID days because everybody was blogging, so I just started blogging for the heck of it to just keep myself busy, occupied and positive. And at the moment I have 370k plus followers. Earning money by blogging is true, absolutely. You can get affiliated with brands, designers, depending on what skill you are, how good you are at what you do. You do earn money from blogging and Instagram. I was fortunate enough to work with a lot of Bollywood stars. So Vivian Richard was my first celebrity who I worked with. I worked with a lot of stars from Bollywood, Hollywood, Lollywood, Malayalam, South, Bengali, a lot of celebrities. So I can't count. And honestly, makeup trends change every now and then. There are not too many trends in makeup nowadays. Some people like harsh contour, some people like no contour, some people like dark liner, some people like no liner. But my makeup at the moment is like no makeup look, very earthy colors, soft glam, glossy lips, darker hair. That's my summer go-to. Latest makeup trends are more of a nude skin, a flawless skin with glossy lips, more mascara, glammed up look, where you have everything on but looks like there's no makeup. So I am obsessed with this summer no makeup look, and people with good skin, they can have a lot of highlighter or illuminator so that their skin looks extremely glowy and fresh. So for people who have pores and scars, do not use highlighter in summers, and the people who have good skin, go for highlighter. My advice for anybody who is either blogging or doing anything in life is to stay consistent, honest, and choose your path correctly. As long as you are on the right path, right track, and you know what you're doing, you will end up successfully, inshallah.